Namaskar. Now we wish to hear about quantum consciousness, quantum mechanics, Vedanta philosophy, part 2. Consciousness, quantum mechanics, and Vedanta philosophy, part 2. Consciousness, quantum mechanics, and Vedanta philosophy, part 2. यत्तद्वेषम् अग्राह्यम् अगोत्रम् अवर्णम् अचक्षुश्रोत्रम् तदपनिपादम् नित्यं विभुं सर्वगतं सुसूक्ष्मं तदव्ययं यत् adhuta paripasyanti dhira. What Mandukya Upanishad says about consciousness or Brahman. Consciousness or Brahman means yattadesham agrajyam agutram avarnam achakshu satrang tadapanipadam nityam vihung sarvagatam susuksang tadabhyang adhuta paripasyanti dhiraha. Yattadesham means the Brahman or consciousness cannot be grasped by our sense organs. You cannot see, you cannot hear, or you cannot touch it, Brahman or consciousness. Avyaham means it cannot be grasped. It cannot be grasped with your hands. Agotram means it has no origin. No origin, no form, no properties, it is eternal, it is all pervading. Avarnam means devoid of attributes. It has no origin, no form, no properties. It is eternal, it is all pervading. Achakshusratrang tadapanipadam means it does not have eyes, ears, hands and legs. Nityam tadabhyam. Nityam means eternal. Tadabhyam means beyond decay. Extremely subtle, beyond decay. Vibhum means that which appears as everything in the universe. Sarvagatam. Sarvagatam means all pervading. Susuksam, very subtle. Sukkham means Susukkham means very subtle. Yadhuta Janing. Adhuta Janing means womb of the universe. Adhuta Janing, womb of the universe. The thing from which the entire universe emerges. The all-pervading consciousness. Sakshi Chaitanya, witness consciousness. Please visit our website https://scrckc.in. Please press like and share button. Please subscribe our channel SCRCKC.in. Now, fractals and consciousness. The great physicist Richard Feynman said there is plenty of room at the bottom. The large square is the Sierpinski carpet representing the Brahman or consciousness through a square, through multiple squares of different sizes. The large square represents the Brahman or consciousness, which shows the presence of small, tiny squares representing the individual. The large square is the whole Brahman or consciousness, and the small squares are representing the individuals. So you see, and the dimension is increasing. One total dimension is 1.89 dimensional. See the shade carpet representing the Brahman or consciousness. See the formation of fractals of shade Pinsky carpet. Now see the fractal tree forming the fractal triangles. So please observe the fractal tree forming with the fractal triangles. This is the triangle, fractal triangles forming the fractal tree. This is another example of fractal triangle. Formation of fractals through the triangles. These are the natural examples of fractals. Romanesco broccoli, trees, ferns, lungs, neuronal system, heartbeat. These are all natural examples of fractals forming the consciousness or Brahman of the universe. Now please visit our website https://scrckc.in. Please press like and share button. Please subscribe our channel scrckc.in. Now particles not exist. According to quantum field theory, particles are just excited states or simply manifestations of a field. Every particle has its own field that covers all of the universe, which means that according to quantum field theory, all of the electrons of the universe belong to the same field and could be regarded as one. An observer is required to bring particles into existence. It is a conscious observer who brings particles into existence. So double slit experiment proved that a conscious observer brings the particles into existence. This is the interference pattern developed in the photosensitive screen through the penetration of particles or atoms through the double slit. So interference pattern of wave state of existence of atoms is the interference pattern of wave state of existence of atoms. Now, the interference pattern of waves collapses due to the presence of detector or observer. In presence of detector or observer, the wave pattern or wave state of particle or atoms collapses to form particles. Detector or observer brings particles into existence. The interference pattern gone and particles appeared in presence of detector or observer. So eyes of the detector or observer observer brings the particles into existence. Now, so maybe photons of the detector interacting with atom causes wave collapses or collapse. So if no measurement gets made, the wave pattern or interference pattern of wave state of particular atom appears or returns. So when the detector switched on, then as soon as measurements get made, the wave pattern collapses and particles returns. So in presence of detector or observer, the wave state of particles or atoms collapses to form particles. So appearance of particles. So observer brings particles into existence. Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg. You see the wave state and particle state of the atoms and particles. The atoms or particles can exist in two states, that is wave and particles. Mm, the here you see the same single atom or single particle existing in four different places at the same time. That means that is why it is termed as superposition of atoms or particles. Here the same atom showing its existence in three different places at the same time. In presence of measurement device or detector, uh, the wave state is going to collapse and appearing particles. So probability wave becomes a distinct particle as soon as it's measured. I repeat, probability wave becomes distinct particle as soon as it is measured. So I repeat, that is observer or detector brings particles into existence by collapsing waves forming the particles. So what does measurement take place in our eyes, in our brain, or in the detector? So you see here a detector is present and a conscious observer is present. So von Neumann Wigner interpretation is measurement happens when this physicist is conscious of it here in the brain. Many worlds interpretation. So the existence of particles or atoms, it has two realities, that is wave and particle. One reality, that is our reality, is particle, and other reality is wave. In presence of detector, measurement device or observer, the particles appear. That is our reality. And in absence of observer, its state is wave. So multiple worlds with multiple measurements or no measurements. Here you see an observer, conscious observer, who brings particles into existence. So any measurement that records the which way information collapses, wave location of detector does not matter. Collapse is consistent forward or backward in time. So observation means quantum measurement. Interpretation of two quantum states that cause collapse. Interaction of two quantum states that cause collapse. Please visit our website https://scrckc.in. Please press like and share button. Please subscribe our channel scrckc.in.